Well, good morning, everyone. Meteorologist Michael Wilhite here with Southern Indiana weather. It is early on this Good Friday morning, 2014. It is April the 18th. It is 7:41 a.m. Eastern Time, 6:41 Evansville time. Hope you're having good morning. I wanted to bring you the latest video update. I'll try to make this a pretty short one today. Got a very nice forecast in store for you. All right, today's video update is sponsored by Metal Magic in Washington. You can give Chad a call at 698-8555 for all of your paintless dent repair needs. Remember, they have that traveling hail team as well. Folks, you can see some pictures of the great work they do. They're PDR Nation certified as well, which means that you know when you take your work to them, you're going to be getting quality work done. All right, give them a call. Tell them Southern Indiana Weather sent you. All right, radar in motion here. Not much going on around us. In fact, the chances of a shower today for us are, well, they're not non-existent, but they're pretty close to non-existent. If you really want to find rain, you're going to have to go down into the deep south. I mean, it's absolutely a deluge down here in the south. In fact, there is a slight risk of severe weather down here in Florida today, but we don't have to worry about anything with that. In fact, we're not even under a thunderstorm outlook as far as that goes. They can be expecting several inches of rain down here for their Good Friday here in the southeast. But for us, as you notice, if we zoom it in, absolutely nothing going on, just a few slight dots here and there. And if we just go over here and we take a look at future radar, you see a dot or two here and there, but really not that much before it's all gone. In fact, I've only given it a 10% chance. It seems like every model run here of future radar, the chances just go down and down and down. And hey, I'm not going to complain about that one bit. All right, now as we take this through, you'll see we're clear on Saturday, and it looks like we're even clear on Sunday. It ends at 2 o'clock here now. If the future radar were to go out further than this, you'd see our next chance of rain would come in on Monday. It doesn't look like an overly impressive chance for me either. But for right now, the way it looks, we've got an absolutely gorgeous day shaping up for your Good Friday. I know there's probably going to be a lot of Good Friday services going on at churches around the area. Maybe you've got some family get-togethers. A lot of people are off because of the holiday. So to get out today and enjoy it, folks. It's going to be a beautiful day. Saturday looks equally as beautiful. Sunday looks equally as beautiful. Folks, it is going to be a gorgeous weekend if you got family events planned, Easter egg hunts, the whole 9 yards. Let's go ahead and take a look at your day forecast for today, and you'll see exactly what I mean. Now, right now, if I were to go ahead and throw the satellite on here, we'll throw this on here, and you can see we're under pretty cloudy skies. I got the enhanced infrared satellite, so these blue shades that you see here, this is really thick clouds. These are cold clouds. That's why you see them in the darker shades of blue here. But you can see it does thin out to our west. That's eventually going to move our way a little bit. Think that we're sort of become more under a partly cloudy sky today. By this afternoon, it's starting out mostly cloudy, but we'll see some more sun this afternoon. Temperatures are going to range into the low 70s. That's not bad, so we'll take that. 71 in Evansville, 70 up here around the Jasper area, 70 in Vincennes and Bedford, Corden, Madison, upper 60s by the time you go a little bit further north into Columbus and even in probably the Indianapolis area, Tell City at 71 as well. So you can see it's going to be a gorgeous day around the area. In fact, if we just take a look at the temperature spread, I've showed you this a couple of times as well, but I just wanted to continue to show you this, that we've just got some absolutely gorgeous days shaping up as far as the eye can really see here into the next 16 days. The GFS Ensemble's raw temperature data, it's beautiful. It is nice to see this. Our average high right now is hovering very close to 70 degrees. I think it's about 69 if I remember right for today. So not bad. And you can see we're going to go into a stretch of really above normal temperatures for a while, and that's going to be a nice treat for us. Now, I am watching next week for the potential of severe weather still. I don't want to get too much in detail yet because the reality is we don't know that it's going to be completely happen yet or not, but the models are still consistently showing it. Now, it was showing it for Saturday the 26th. Now it's looking like Friday the 25th, so there's going to be some timing issues to work out on this, but here's the low-level jet, and you can see it's some powerful low-level jet. Again, we've talked about this stacked upper-level low. That's going to be up in here. If we take a look at wind energy up here in the mid-levels of the atmosphere, plenty of that moving in. We're in the exit region of the upper-level divergence as well, so that's the sweet spot for severe weather. Instability-wise would be the only limiting factor for this, and you see there's not a whole lot of it right now, but this is an early in the morning shot. If we go later in the afternoon when things would be starting to fire up, you see a little bit of instability, but not a whole lot. So we'll have to watch that and see what that does as far as the bulk shear numbers go. We've got good bulk shear as well, which is the change in wind speed as you go up. So Just to point out here that the parameters are lining up in place this far out for what could be a significant severe weather event for someone in our region. It is too early to determine whether this will really happen or not, but for the past 3 days now, the GFS model has been very consistent in saying a severe weather threat for either the 25th or the 26th, hovering around that date. So a week from today, next Friday and next Saturday, we're going to mark that date and watch it and see how it tracks out. And that's all we can do from now. Right now, that's too far out for the SPC to really talk about. They do have a day 4 to 8 outlook, but they rarely ever outline anything past 6 days unless they've got high confidence in it. And they don't have high confidence in this, and I don't have high confidence in this. I don't know how you can this far out, but it's something that we can just look and say that, we need to watch this system and see how it evolves over time, because it's one that looks powerful now, and we'll see whether it holds up that way or not. All right. But for now, we've got a gorgeous week shaping up. Let's take a look at your 7 days forecast, sponsored by Ubelor and Sons. Going up to about 70 in the area today, 71 probably closer to the Ohio River, but basically somewhere right around the 70-degree mark. Isolated shower early, as you saw by future radar. It's not a very aggressive chance. I've lowered it to a 10% chance. I think most of us won't even see it today. Winds will be pretty light this morning, switching to the northwest this afternoon once that cold front passes, but cold front in quotation marks, folks, because the reality is this is not going to cool us down that much. We'll only go down to 45 tonight, and then look at your weekend. Mostly sunny and 72 gorgeous degrees on Saturday. You can't beat that with a stick. On Sunday, Easter Sunday, your Resurrection Sunday, 75 degrees, partly cloudy. Folks, fire up the grill, get the eggs head outside. It's just going to be a great Easter Sunday. Get outside and enjoy it. Slight chance of showers on Monday. Again, I'm lowering the chances down to 30% for this as well. The models are not aggressive with this at all. That's good, because we've seen a lot of rain. This will give us a chance to dry out some things. But look at this. Even on Tuesday, Wednesday, 70s as far as the eye can see. And then take a look by next Thursday. I've got an 80 in the forecast. So certainly the warming trend continues. I don't have Friday in the 7-day yet, but again, we're monitoring the chance of some thunderstorms. Some could be strong to severe on Friday. We'll keep monitoring it, and we'll bring you updates as needed on that. But for right now, just hinge it in the back of your mind there that we'll be monitoring it. It's too far out to know any definites yet, but we'll keep an eye on it, and we'll track that so that you can stay safe. All right, that is it for this update, folks. Go to southernindianaweather.com. You can always get your latest 7-day forecast there, along with plenty of other updates. Enjoy your Good Friday, folks. Enjoy some great family time this weekend, folks. It is going to be a beauty. For southernindianaweather.com, I'm meteorologist Michael Wilhite. Happy Easter, and have a great weekend, folks.